Well, what is up, YouTube? I'm out here right now in the middle of a snowstorm to bring you guys some DJI Pocket 2 preview footage. I'm walking down the street. Hopefully this gives you an idea of how it looks quality-wise under normal circumstances. Well, these are normal circumstances. I don't think most people will bring their Pocket 2 outside in this conditions. I am not using the wireless mic right now. I am using the built-in mic for the Pocket 2. But I wanted to bring you guys some footage. This is shooting at 4K, 24 frames per second, and I got the shutter speed at 1/50th of a second, so that's sort of be like cinematic style shooting. And I'm using a Freewell ND32 filter, which is blocking 4 stops of light because snow makes a lot of reflections. So to keep the shutter speed at 1/50th, I needed this filter. The filter is probably getting wet, so that's going to affect things. Let's flip this bad boy around so you guys can get an idea. There we go. So this is like a field of view with me walking, so you can get an idea of the stabilization. Hopefully the wind sound is not too bad. Just wanted you guys to get a general idea. Consider this a preview. I figured it's not every day there's a snowstorm. A lot of people don't get to see snow, so I might as well you know, come out here and show it to you guys. Whew. Here comes the snow plow. I'm gonna have to get out of the way, and it's gonna plow right at me. Let's go. Cars following the plow. I'm using everything from the unboxing. I got it attached to the extra stick that charges it. This is not a weatherproof device, so I am taking a bit of a risk out here, but I figure what the hell. I might as well give it a shot, see how it goes, upload some stuff for you guys. Little preview in case you guys were considering getting the device. I don't even know what this footage looks like. I'm sure the wireless mic would sound better, but I figured the wireless mic was a little bit more dangerous to take out in this much snow coming down. I'm gonna flip it back to me. There we go. And it has an automatic follow face mode when you're using it in selfie mode, is what they call this. So follows your face. Hopefully I sound alright. Oh man, I'm going the wrong way because now the snow is smacking me in the face. So what do you guys think? It's pretty good. I mean, this is working out well as far as I can tell on the small screen. Obviously it'll be a lot more telling when I get the big screen, but bring it a little closer to me. Sorry, I can't keep my eyes open with the snow smacking me in the face. But welcome to the snowstorm I am in the middle of today. And it started last night, the snow. It's been coming down pretty much heavier and heavier as the night went on. And now it's to a certain point where it's quite heavy. Let me show you guys my car real quick. All right, here we go. Flip that around. Here's my car, completely covered in snow. Pretty much. Trying to show you guys something. Moving the camera around. I got it held straight down now. I'm trying to pan, making it just trying something. I am deep in the snow right here. You guys can get an idea how much snow it's at right now by looking down there. But got my wiper blades out. I'm gonna go ahead and flip this back around, and in the middle of the snow I'm gonna take a jog just so you guys can see what kind of stabilization you get if you run. So hopefully this is coming out too bad, but I got my arm outstretched really far, so I know I'm shaking, especially in the snow. This will probably be the worst stabilization you could get. Ooh, let me go the other way. That was a real pain. Oh, my gimbal is facing down. I'm trying to readjust it there on my own. Let's hit the recenter button. There we go. Alright, I'm gonna run. Here we go. That's better. The snow's at least not hitting me in the face. I don't know how that's gonna look. I'm taking a little jog. This is kind of crazy. It's pretty funny. Whew. Yeah, there's all kinds of liquid on the front of this, but yeah, man, I'm out here doing crazy things for you guys. So just in case you were kind of wondering what the Pocket 2 would be like to use in the snow, now you know. There's not much worse conditions than this right here that I could be putting it in, honestly. I'm gonna flip myself around, do some spins for you guys. What's up? So this is a preview. It's having trouble now locking because of all the water, I think. But it is mostly locking in my face. There's ice and snow all over the lens, so I can't even blame that. Well, luckily it's all over the filter and not the lens. But let me get back inside and I'll show you guys the difference once I'm inside and I take the filter off. Whew. That was a little fun. Part of my morning workout. I gotta start work pretty soon. Oh, this way is terrible. Oh, my goodness. Alright, let me get back inside. It's really cold out here. Alright. So with the filter on, now that I'm inside, it cannot see me at all because this is blocking 4 stops of light. So I am very dark. I'm gonna hit the recenter button. I've made a recenter. I'm gonna take this filter off. And there we go. So we're moving the filter. That's what those filters are for. Freewell ND filters. I'll link the ND filters in the description below this video. Gotta take my shoes off. Oh my goodness. My boots. Anyway, now it should be decent quality indoors. Like I said, 4K, 24 frames a second. I'm going to go through some different conditions. Let me show you guys. This is the filter that was on there. This is the back side of it. If you can tell, it's got 2 little magnets. I don't know if you guys can even tell because my screen is soaked, but basically all the filters and the extra wide lens all attached with magnets. The magnet held on very well from the filter. Did not come off at all. So, what do you guys think? I can't wait to actually get this footage off myself and take a look because I have no clue what it's actually going to look like. But it should be following me now. My camera is soaked. Everything is soaking wet. Now it's tracking my face again much better. It's not losing me because the lens itself is not wet. And I'm in the main hallway of my house now. I'm gonna just walk around a little bit regularly so you guys can tell. Let me go down to the studio. I apologize for my, it says it lost me. I'm trying to get it back. The whole thing is soaked. There we go, back to recenter. I'm gonna head down to the studio, so different changing lighting conditions. But I have locked this exposure at 1/50th of a second, so it's kind of, it's still face tracking me, but it's having a little bit of trouble now because it's very dark here. I'm gonna go into the studio, sit down. I'm gonna show you guys the freewheel kit. When I get in the studio, it's picked me back up nicely. Whew. All right, I'm in the studio with just the RGB lights of the studio on. I don't have any other lights on in here. So you can get an idea. Let me put this I gotta clean this filter off and put it away. And this camera is soaked, which is probably very bad for it. If if it doesn't break, I will definitely bring you guys a full review instead of just this preview. But hopefully I didn't break it. Watch it not turn on or something after a little while. I'll be a little pissed off, but it's alright. And I do not have the wide angle lens on. You can only put either the wide angle lens or the filters. So let me show you guys with a little bit of window light at least. Let me try to show you guys this filter kit. I'm going to flip this around so I can see the screen. Whoops. There we go. Alright, so I flipped it. And this, oh, it's staying up. Hold on. I was pointing at my camera. I got to change the mode. There we go. It should go everywhere I put it now. There you go. This is the freewheel filter kit. So when you open it up, I did not have this on the unboxing. This is a regular ND4 filter, which blocks one stop of light. It's an ND8 filter, it blocks two. ND16 blocks three stops of light. This is a circular polarizer on the end here, which makes skies much more blue, gives you a little bit more contrast and saturation. This is a ND4 plus polarizer, so you get the polarization and the one stop light. ND8, ND16, ND32. So I actually took out the 32, I think, and that's what I used outside. It blocks four stops of light, and it's got this nice little, let me show you. It's just a little, you know, lens cleaner thingy. I put it on top, close it up. Everything goes in with magnets. Everything stays put with magnets, just like it stays put on the lens with magnets. So that's that, guys. Camera is at least tracking me again. I hope that this footage was good for you guys. Good little preview. I hope it's good for me, because I paid for the damn thing. So like I said, I didn't use this microphone. I'm using the internal mics on here, just because I felt like taking this outside, I'd have to expose it to that wind and well, not really the wind, I don't care, but the snow. And I don't really want to do that. This feels pretty light, although I know it sounds great. So hopefully the sound was decent when I was outside. We'll find out. I think me wetting it has caused it to wreak havoc. It is turning by itself, but it has face tracked me again. I'm going to go dry this off now, upload this to YouTube. I hope you guys enjoyed it. A little preview of the DJI Pocket. I'll leave links for the freewheel kit. Everything that I bought will be in the description below, including the freewheel kit. So if you guys do decide that you want to get it based off any of this footage, by all means, please hit my links. Helps me out. I appreciate it. Stay supreme, guys. And I'll talk to all you guys soon. Peace out.